Welcome to Steaming Ahead in Science. I'm Katie McCurdy from Gulf Coast State College.
And I'm Jill Hansen with Bay District Schools.
So today we're going to be doing an experiment with you dealing with surface tension and the materials that you will need in order to do this experiment at home. You will need some scissors, and you don't have to have scissors, and we'll explain mine in just a second, but that's just an option. You'll need a styrofoam plate. We just cut this shape out of a styrofoam plate. Also, you will need a plate that you can put some water on. You want that to sit as flat as possible. Some pepper, a dropper, and then some soap. You'll also have a container that can be used as well for the second part of the experiment that we'll go through here. So Ms. Hansen's now going to explain to us how to get this experiment started.
Well, first we're just going to see the effect of surface tension by adding something so we can see the water move. Water moves all the time, but most of the time our eyes don't notice this. So I'm just going to sprinkle just enough so that it covers the surface. And Ms. McCurdy, I'd like to ask you to go ahead and touch your finger into that pepper water and see what happens.
Anywhere?
Anywhere? All right. Not much.
Not much at all.
But if you know science and you have the magic touch.
Now, how did you do that?
The secret, the science, is that my finger, you didn't see it, actually had some soap, right? So you could do this with a toothpick or a dropper, or just get your finger all soapy and touch it in there. What we did is we broke the surface tension. And because water molecules all scattered, they took the pepper with them. So it appeared that the pepper was running from our finger. And you can redo this over and over again if you get more water. Once you've broken the surface tension, you kind of have to start over.
So that would be a great thing to do with the kids, and the kids not know that their parents have soap on their finger.
Yeah.
And just have them hypothesize what might have happened. So.
The other extension of this is if you get any kind of styrofoam and you want to cut it into a shape where you notice there's this cutout. It doesn't matter. I made kind of a boat shape. It's not very perfect. It doesn't have to be. But this center cutout is going to be part of the secret. So if you cut from styrofoam and you put your boat, and this can be in a tub, this can be in the sink, doesn't matter where. If you put your boat in the water and add just a drop of soap, you'll see it, if I can do this without dropping it, right here. Make the boat go.
Now how did that happen?
The reason is I broke the surface tension like we did the last time, but because I channeled that because I created that shape, that motion was channeled pushing the boat forward. You can experiment with shapes and sizes and masses and soaps and all kinds of variables for this experiment.
Well, very nice. We hope you enjoyed our experiment dealing with surface tension, and we will see you again soon.